Hey guys, I'm here working on my 2000 Mustang, replacing the filler neck. And thank you, Chris Fix, for adding that you have to drop the gas tank. You actually have to remove the straps holding them down to get this neck out. But the biggest problem is the engineering designed in it. So just to give you an idea, here's the old and here's the new, well, not the new but used, of the filler necks. So there's my old one. You think it might have rusted away a little bit, eh? So that happened because it has this housing on it, and this housing holds dirt and water up against the pipe. Remove it. Your pipe will last longer with this gone than this attached to that pipe. I mean, look what it's done. It's pretty evident. So now I'm going to install the used part without the neck, without this.